Is your uvula causing your snoring? Possibly. This structure way back here looks like a punching bag, can be causing snoring. Why do we even have a uvula? Well, it actually lifts up along with the rest of the soft palate, that fleshy stuff back there, to rise up and protect food from going up into the nose area when we swallow, right? So we definitely want it there, but if it's sitting kind of lazy and it's just hanging out, it's not doing what it's supposed to be doing, then when we're sleeping, it's gonna flat back into the airway, causing some snoring. So how do you make sure that those muscles are doing what they're supposed to be doing and not being super lazy and flaccid? Well, you can do the exercise. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm yawning and I am really opening up all the way. My tongue is coming down and my uvula is lifting up. So if you can see all the way back to the back of your throat, then you know that that muscle is working really hard. If you can't do that, if it looks like this, or worse, it just looks like this, and you can't see those structures back there, you can practice by saying ah, by yawning, by singing, all while looking in the mirror, making sure that that the palate is lifting and the tongue is lowering. Ah, ah, ah. Doing that every day will help you strengthen that muscle, and in a few weeks, you'll probably feel the difference.